Introducing electric G-Wagon from Mercedes will surprise you. Here's what we know: Mercedes' iconic boxy SUV will be going electric. Here's a roundup of what we know so far. On second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Whether you call it the G-Wagon or the G-Wagon, it'd be hard to argue against the notion that the Mercedes-Benz G-Class is one of the most capable all-around vehicles on the market, cramming luxury, status and exceptional on-road and off-road performance into a single iconic package. But it's not without its issues. One big one for the G-Wagon is, of course, fuel economy. Boxy bodies and powerful engines rarely make for good gas mileage. Averaging just 14 mpg combined, the Gelandewagen is one of the worst polluting passenger vehicles on sale in America. That, however, is about to change. Mercedes is launching a G sub-brand, much like Ford has done with the Bronco and Mustang, and part of that G-Class future will be an electric version. Mercedes unveiled a near-production study of the vehicle called the Concept EQG at IAA Mobility 2021 in Munich. Details remain scarce, but here's what we know so far. The electric G-Class will be called the EQG. Mercedes is using EQ branding to delineate its EVs. Just as the company will launch EQS and EQE sedans, the G-Wagon equivalent should be the EQG. If naming the preview the Concept EQG was not enough of an indicator, Mercedes-Benz has filed trademark applications in Europe for EQG 560 and EQG 580. The EQG will likely use a body-on-frame platform. The EQG should still be a G-Class underneath. The Concept EQG employs a ladder frame with an independent front suspension and solid axle at the rear. It has 4 electric motors located at each wheel and batteries incorporated into the frame for a lower center of gravity. The Concept EQG also has a 2-speed gearbox to aid with G-specific off-road requirements. The EQG will look very much like a G-Class. One of the virtues of the G-Class is how little its straightforward boxy exterior has changed over the decades. Expect that to carry through to the electric era. The Concept EQG sticks very much to tradition, looking very much like a G-Class. The major changes include 22-inch EQG-specific wheels, an illuminated black panel grille and illuminated stripes spanning the vehicle's length. The EQG may not have a rear-mounted spare wheel. The rear-mounted spare tire is a common feature of boxy, body-on-frame off-roaders like the Ford Bronco, the Jeep Wrangler and the current Mercedes G-Class. The EQG Concept does not have one but offers a visual link to the spare wheel cover with a lockable storage box perfect for storing the charging cable. The EQG may enter production in 2024. The EQG will enter production in 2024, potentially making it a 2025 model year vehicle in America. By that point, it should have the GMC Hummer EV SUV as a direct competitor. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.